know this is a completely changed Yamaha XS400. Ang XS400 is a standard bike, kumbaga standard position, upright, so very easy to ride, no? So itong ginawa namin dito, as requested by our client, ito ay ginawa naming bobber. Okay, so this is a mix of bobber and chopper since naka-hardtail tayo. Sa design na ito ay inspired by a British look. So parang Brit Bob siya. Same size ang tires, tapos medyo mababa siya, tapos small tank. And at the same time, very minimalist ang ating design dito sa motor na ito. That makes it nicer or